Miss Earth Indonesia, is a celebrity in Indonesia. So it also took me quite some time to convince her. But when I asked the help of Miss Cristel also to communicate to Miss Juliana, she was also convinced because we were able to see the sincerity and the passion of Miss Cristel. So what advice I gave her, because I came from, I'm a Q&A coach, an international Q&A coach. I coach 3 countries for Miss Universe, 4 countries for Miss Aura International, Miss Intercontinental, Miss Face of Europe, etc. So this is the first message that I sent, and the advice that I gave her is that Miss Juliana, just enjoy the process. Everybody is beautiful, everybody is stunning, and everybody has the right to win, and it's only, a matter of destiny. So, no matter how beautiful you are sometimes, no matter how amazing you are, it's still, if it's not your destiny, it wouldn't happen. So, just make friends with all these amazing women, enjoy them, make connections, enjoy the journey, and at the end of the day, it will not make you a lesser person if you wouldn't win the crown. You will continue the legacy of being a Miss Earth, and you will be forever my Mrs. Earth International Indonesia, no matter what. So,